I'm HVAC repair guy with over 17 years in the field as a technician, installer, and contractor, and a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are comparing two top-tier heat pump systems, the Carrier Infinity 23 and the Luxaire HL20. Starting with build quality and cabinet construction, Carrier uses a full louvered coil guard and an insulated compressor sound blanket. Carrier manufactures those units in the United States. The Luxaire HL20 is also built in the USA and includes a compressor blanket. However, Luxaire uses slotted panels for coil protection rather than full louvered guards, leaving the outer coil fins more exposed to debris and hail damage. Heating performance is measured by HSPF, which tells you how much heat output you get per watt of electricity used in winter. The Carrier Infinity 23 has an HSPF rating of 9.5. The Luxaire HL20 has an HSPF rating of 9.0. Higher HSPF numbers mean lower electricity bills in cold weather and better heating capacity when temperatures drop. Both systems also act as high-efficiency air conditioners during summer. Under the hood, both systems feature variable speed compressors and variable speed outdoor condenser fans. Variable speed equipment modulates up and down to match your home's exact heating or cooling load instead of running at full capacity or shut off. That precise modulation gives steady indoor temperatures, excellent humidity control, reduced electrical draw, and less mechanical wear over time. On noise levels, Carrier Infinity 23 operates as low as 53 decibels, about as quiet as a high-end dishwasher. The Luxaire HL20 is rated at 54 decibels, roughly equivalent to a quiet home office or moderate rainfall. Luxaire was historically under Johnson Controls but now operates under Bosch Home Comfort while keeping U.S. manufacturing. Installed pricing for a fully installed Carrier Infinity 23 typically ranges from $6,500 to $14,000 depending on home size and ductwork. A fully installed Luxaire HL20 generally costs between $6,000 and $11,000 for standard residential retrofits. Carrier provides a 10-year parts warranty, a 10-year compressor warranty, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty if the compressor fails. Luxaire offers a 10-year parts warranty and a lifetime compressor warranty but does not offer unit replacement coverage. My recommendation is the Carrier Infinity 23 for higher winter heating efficiency, full louvered coil protection, and a full 10-year unit replacement guarantee. While the Luxaire has a lifetime compressor warranty, Carrier wins on overall efficiency, durability, and complete unit replacement coverage.